Hi, I'm Sam Spencer with DP Review, and this is the new Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. It promises improvements in resolution, autofocus, and dynamic range, and is aiming to be the all-rounder for all sorts of photographers. Let's take a closer look. It has a brand new 30.4 megapixel sensor with dual pixel AF. It also includes a full-time touchscreen.
The native ISO range now reaches a maximum of ISO 32,000. Canon suggests the new sensor will bring an improvement in raw dynamic range, similar to what we've seen in the 80D and 1DX Mark II. The new sensor is also capable of DCI 4K 30p video capture. Combine that with the 80% area coverage of dual pixel autofocus and the full-time touchscreen, and the result is a camera as capable at video as it is stills. In live view stills shooting, dual pixel AF works down to -4 EV and helps enable servo focusing at up to 4.3 frames per second. There's also a clever face detection toggle implemented that makes relying on face detection in stills or video extremely easy. A new feature unique to the 5D4 is Dual Pixel RAW, which stores dual pixel data to allow for minimal adjustment of image properties in post, including focus. The 5D4 also brings improvements to the traditional autofocus system.
It has 61 AF point areas, same as the 5D Mark III, but coverage has been increased vertically.
There's also an AF mode selection button near the AF joystick, similar to the 7D Mark II. The body, while a definite member of the 5D line, offers a few improvements as well. Wi-Fi, NFC, and GPS are all included.
It offers improved weather sealing, with focus being on areas like the shutter button, the lens mount, and the battery door.
These are just some of the improvements that make this the most refined 5D yet.
For more information on the 5D Mark IV and all things digital photography, head to dpreview.com.